Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 80, remove duplicates from sorted array 2. Let's try to understand what is given in the question. You are given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order and size of array is n. You are asked to remove duplicates in place. In place means you should modify nums array directly. You should not make use of any other array. So you are asked to remove duplicates in place such that each unique element appears at most twice. The order of elements in nums should not change. You should change nums array in such a way that the first k slots of nums should hold the valid elements. It does not matter what you have beyond k elements and you should return k. K represents the total number of valid elements in nums. Let's try to understand logic of the program. We will make use of variable k to store the position where the next valid number should be stored in nums array. We will start by setting k equals to 2. Why we set k equals to 2? Because the first two elements of the array are always valid. For example, let's say if I have an array with one element, then the element at index 0 is valid by default. If I have an array with two elements, say for example, if I take an array with two elements and both the elements are different, then elements at index 0 and 1 are valid by default. Let me take another example with where I have two numbers, two elements in an array and both the elements are same. In this case also element at index 0 and 1 are valid because as per question each unique element can appear at most twice. That is the reason we start with k equals to 2 and then apply the condition from the third element onward. Step 2, we will go through each element of the array one by one. And for each number, we will compare current element and k minus 2 element in nums array. If current and k minus 2 element are different, it means current number has appeared less than twice and it is a valid number. So we should store it. We will put it at position k and increase k by 1. If current and k minus 2 elements are equal, it means current element would be third plus occurrence. It is not a valid number. We should skip that and move on to compare next element in the array. So we will keep doing these steps until we reach end of the array, and at the end the first k elements of nums will be the required result and we will return k. Let's try to understand with the help of example. Here we have nums array and size of array is 6. As we know, numbers at index 0 and 1 are always valid. So we will start with k equals to 2. So let's take k equals to 2. So k is pointing to index 2. K variable is used to store position where the next valid number will be stored in nums array. Now we will go through each element of the array with the help of variable I. So we'll set I equals to 2. We will check the condition I is less than n. This condition is true. Now we will check number at index I and number at index k minus 2. So I is 2, so number at index I is 1 and number at index k minus 2, that is number at index 0. Both the numbers are different. If numbers are different, it means it is not a valid number. This would be third plus occurrence and we will skip this number. So after this iteration, there is no change in nums array. K is still 2. So k is pointing to index 2. We will move on. We will increase value of I by 1. So now value of I is 3. We will again check if I is less than n, condition true. We will again now check if condition, that is number at index I and number at index k minus 2. So I is 3. Number at index 3 is 2, k is 2, k minus 2, that is number at index 0. So 1 and 2 not equal. If numbers are different, it means this is a valid number. This number has appeared less than 2 times. So, so we will store the number at k position. So number at I position will be stored at kth position. So 2 will be stored here, and then we increase k by 1. So new value of k is 3. So after this iteration, values in the nums array will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. And we have 3 valid element. K is 3. It means now the next valid element will be stored at index 3. We will move on checking the next element in the array. So we will increase I with 1. Now the new value of I is 4. Again, this condition will be checked. I is less than n. Condition is true. Again, this if condition will be checked. It means we will check number at index I and number at index k minus 2. I is 4. Number at index 4 is 2. K is 3. So number 3 minus 2 is 1. Number at index 1 is 1. Again, both the numbers are different. If numbers are different, it means it is a valid number. It means this number has appeared less than 2 times. So we will keep it. We will store number at I position at k position. So this number will be stored here because k is 3, and then we increase k by 1. So new value of k is 4. So after this iteration, nums array will look like this: 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Here now we have 4 valid elements. We have 4 valid elements. Value of k is 4. We will move on. We will increase I by 1. So new value of I is 5. 5 is less than n. Condition true. Again, we will check number at I position and number at k minus 2. So I is 5. So we will check number at fifth position and k minus 2. K is 4. 4 minus 2. It means number at index 2. Again, numbers are not same. Numbers are different. Numbers are different. It means it is a valid number, and we will keep it. So we will store this number at kth position. K is 4. So this 3 will be stored at fourth position, and then we increase k by 1. So after this iteration, nums array will look like this: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Value of k is 5. It means we have 5 valid element, and the new number will come at index 5. We will move on. We will increase value of I by 1. So new value of I is 6. Now if we check this, I is less than n. Condition is false because n is 6. We come out of loop and then we return k. So k is 5. Here you see we have 5 valid element in the array. All the elements or each element appear at most twice. Space complexity of this program is O1 and time complexity of this program is On. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share.